Gracious Jehovah, our strength and our might, you are our Savior, in you we delight. We are your witnesses, bearing your news. Whether men hear or they proudly refuse, Jehovah, our rock, our strength and our might, your name we make known both day and night. Glorious Jehovah, almighty in power, you are our hiding place, you are our tower. We who now serve you rejoice in your light. Eyes that are open now see truth and right. Searching the scriptures we hear your command, making our choice for your kingdom we stand. Jehovah, our rock, our strength and our might, your name we make known both day and night. Glorious Jehovah, almighty in power, you are our hiding place, you are our tower. Gladly, O God, we keep doing your will. Though Satan mocks us, we're trusting you still.